Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit time in Time Doctor. So here I have the application right here. And from the left-hand panel, I want you to click on Edit Time. You can do the same thing on the browser as well. So just click on Edit Time. It will actually open up on the browser the dashboard. And here on the top, you see Edit Time, right? And you can see right here, today we have worked for just 2 minutes, right? So if I scroll down here, you'll see all my time slots where I have worked and where I'm not working. So let's say during this time, right, from 10:06 to 11:22, I was actually working, but I didn't log it in. So what you do, you come click on this pencil icon to edit, okay? And now you can choose your start time and the end time. So let's say right here from 11:05 to 11:22 p.m. Okay, I'll choose the project. Let's say I was doing general work and the task was other work. Okay, we'll choose other work and then we press save. And then you should see the time increase, the time worked. As you can see, it has been edited. And now that added 17 minutes. We've worked for a total of 19 minutes today. So that is how to edit time in Time Doctor.